Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So another video on ticker symbol AMC, and we know this ticker is on fire, this thing is running, and we know the ape dividend is coming. Things are looking really nice, so hopefully it will run again this coming week. So if you look at last Friday, it did a nice move at the market open, then it ended with 4% down, after our another 1% down. But if you look at last 5 days of chart, beautiful chart. But the good thing or the bad thing is you can see that it hit 25.6, it came back to 22, again it hit the same thing. So one thing is clear, that around 22 it has a nice support, at the same time it has some kind of resistance right around 25-26 area. So anyway, I'm going to talk about the price action, support, resistance, short interest, option chain activity, max pain, and few other things. Hopefully you will like this particular video. In that case, you know what to do. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel. So this is the AMC chart. I'm going to talk about the chart a lot. I will come back, but before that, congratulations whoever is part of my community on Discord and also YouTube community. You can see on Friday for day trading we did some nice move in VTA 48%, BBBY 26%, VRU 25, and DNA 9% from our suggested entry all the way to high of the day. Anyway, just $9 per month. The link will be in the description, so you can just join and you can be part of my community. Also keep an eye on BBBY. This thing has some potential to run all the way to 16 if it can go over this area. I just made another video on BBBY, so keep an eye on this because this is another short squeeze stock and we love short squeeze. So AMC, if you look at the volume, last Friday's volume was not that much, only 73 million, and especially if you look at last 5 days of volume, on Monday we has huge volume, 132 million. Then last 4 days the volume went sideways, so it's okay as long the volume is maintaining, and maybe next week we get more volume. This thing can run a lot, especially if you look at the short interest. It is 18.21% currently, not bad. The AMC short interest is always around 20%, 22-20 in this area. Okay, so the good thing is, why I'm saying good thing, shouldn't be a good thing, right? Because 25 strike price, you can see lots of open interest was here, right? So in case it was over $25, so these call option would be in the money, 25 and 26, these areas, right? But somehow Friday it came down, so these option expired, worthless, right? So that is one problem, like when you're playing option. But if you look at next week option chain activity, which is for 19th of August, you can see that 25 and 30 concentration had lots of call option, right? 25 and 30. If you want, you can buy an option, play the and ride the wave. If you want, look at the put option side also. Around 20 there are some option here, right? But if you compare between call and put, still call is way higher, right? Okay, now let's go back to the chart. So first of all, if you look at the chart, this area right around 26-27 area, it has a double top, meaning that it is having some kind of resistance. So I'm gonna just delete all the lines, because when we do day trading, we love to draw lines. But let's do a fresh start. So first of all, if you just draw a line here, you can see that the support which was here now became a resistance. So definitely this area 27.3 is acting like a resistance. What else? If it goes higher, I'm gonna see another type of resistance right at 34, because previously it got rejected in March at 34. And why? Because it was a support previously. So 34 is one area. If you ask me what is in between 24 and 34, I'm also gonna add one more line which is right around 30. Okay, you can see the 30 top here, 30 top here. Now on the downside, what can be a good entry, right? So 23.3 can be one area to enter, and I'm gonna add one more line right around 20.45. you can see that it was a support, then we broke, and we just bounced off this particular line, and in between one more, just 22. Okay, so looking at the chart, 20.7 seems like a good one. Then we have 22, we have 23.3 area, and yeah, and on the upside we have 27.5, 30, and 34. So looking very nice. And if you see the chart, you can see that it did a nice run from 16 all the way to 27.5, came down, tried to make a support around 22. Again, it tried to push, now it is getting rejected. As long it is not coming back to 22 and it is getting a bounce around 23.5 and going upward, is good, because you can say that we got a lower low here, then the next low is here, then the next low is here, so it is making higher lows, which is good for the stock, right? So when something makes higher low, this is a bullish sign. And just want to draw the line here. If it is happening like this, right, so you can see that it is making a nice triangle with a top here and just lower high. In that case, if it can break this area, it can run. So the other thing I want to show you is the max pain. If you know what is the maximum pain, then you know it. Otherwise, just want to show you the next expiry date, which is 19th of August. The max pain is 20. In general, the max pain theory is the market maker wants to close the week close to the max pain, right, so that they can make more money. So when you set 20 and looking at the price, currently we are at 24, so 27, 20 means like it has to come down, so they are bearish on this particular one. But it changes with time. Doesn't mean that the market maker wants something, but retailers, they might want something else, right? We know about that, right? So it can run. I just wanted to show you the max pain, not spreading any FUD, fear, anything, just wanted to show. Okay. And I also checked with Apple, Microsoft, few other stuff. For everything, the max pain is lower. So maybe they are expecting some downward movement, but AMC is different. Sometimes the market is coming down, AMC goes up. So it's a different beast. We know all about that, right? So this is the stock what I'm watching. If you want, you can also, for trading, you can look at the 5-minute candle and see how it performed the other day, right? So right at the start, look at here, right, how we can make a plan for the day. So pre-market, it was holding this 24 area. After the market open, it went to 26 but came back at 24, the same area. Pre-market, it has some nice support. It bounced, went all the way, came down, and Friday what happened, it just pushed, maybe some kind of bull trap, came down a lot, but still it is holding this 24 area, which is the important area. For last 2 days, 24 it is holding. So as long 24 is kept strong, I'm happy with this particular stock, because you can say that it is making higher low. Anyway, when the pre-market will come Monday, we will make another chart, we will have another look. So if you're part of my community, definitely you will have AMC, BBBY, any other stock for our morning checklist. Normally what we do, we come up with different ticker symbol, we give suggested entry and exit. So basically a trade idea. I come live, I describe the place so that we can all make some money. Anyway, if you find this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, join my community, and let's make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.